Hi everyone, welcome back to Alika's Kitchen. And as I promised, we were going to do a chocolate chip cookie recipe. Again, we're using Palmetier stuff, and we have my little helper, Erica Palmetier. Say hi.
Hi.
And she's going to be doing a chocolate chip cookie recipe. It's sort of our chocolate chip cookie recipe because we did it together to show you how easy it is to get the kids involved in making stuff. So again, the exact measurements for everything will be in the description box, and I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe to this video. In the bowl, we have some maple sugar along with some butter. In this bowl, we have flour with baking soda, cornstarch, and salt. Here we have 2 eggs, and Erica likes mint chocolate chip, so we're using mint chocolate chip in this recipe today. So I'll let you take away. So here she's creaming the maple sugar and the butter. Turn it off for a bit. And I'm going to scrape the sides a little bit for her. And now she's continue. You can put it on a little bit. I'm just going to add the eggs one at a time. Give it a whisk, and then we'll add the dry ingredients. And again, you can use brown sugar for this, but we're using the maple sugar because it's a better sugar to use. It's, you know, your kids are not going to go all crazy with so much sugar. So now I'm going to start adding the dry ingredients to this, a bit at a time. And this is going to make a beautiful cookie. We're going to use a 4-inch scoop to scoop them out and bake them. They're not too sweet, which is great. The flavor is good with the mint chocolate. Now I'm just gonna pour in all this chocolate chip, and we're gonna let's just clean these guys up. And I'm gonna incorporate the rest by hand. You want to bake these for about 10 to 11 minutes in a 350 degree oven. Like I said, I'll be using a 4-ounce ice cream scoop to scoop them out, because then you get each cookie even and they bake at the same time instead of having, you know, you can use a spoon, but then some will be larger than the other, and it's easier when you have, if you don't have a ice cream scoop. Like I said, use a spoon, use a spatula, but for me it's easier when I use the ice cream scoop. So here we have a baking sheet already lined with some parchment, and the ice cream scoop is here. So Erica's going to show you how you scoop these and lay them on the tray. So with the cookies, you don't want them too close together because they are going to spread apart on you when they hit the oven. I'll let her continue this and show you what the finished product looks like because we baked some ahead of the video, so you can take a look at it. Okay guys, here's the finished product. Like I said, we baked a batch of the cookies before we did the video, and here it is. I can show you, it's a nice, lovely cookie with chocolate chips in the middle. You can have this with a glass of milk. So bon appetit. Try this recipe with your kids or friends and family. Cheers. It's good. It's a really good cookie. I hate talking with my mouth full because my niece is going to tell me I'm unprofessional, but that's okay. For this cookie, it's worth it. So again, this is Lady M saying, try new things, enjoy cooking, tour the world with food, and like and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, be safe. Lady M saying, with my guest, Erica Palmatier. Bye.